Hello and welcome to my video. Today my guest will be this watch. Unbelievable condition of Longines Chronograph pocket watch. First thing will be to wind the watch, which I'm usually doing. As you can see, the watch starts straight away. And the hands now. To set the hands, I'm gonna pull the crown. And the time now is 12:10. So 12:10 is just, gonna push back the crown. The watch working now, and now some history coming. This watch is made in year 1923. It has a white dial and two subsidiary dials. This chronograph is a one-button chronograph. By pressing the button on top, I will activate the chronograph mode, like this. Pressing again will stop it, and pressing third time will reset it. The chronograph of this watch can count from 60 seconds to 30 minutes. 60 seconds, the watch can count with this second hand in the middle, which moves at the moment, and 30 minutes with this subs dial on top. Very interesting thing in this watch is that usually the size of Longines with chronograph is about 50 millimeters. I mean this size from here to here. In this one, the size is 54 millimeters, and the watch is about 20 grams heavier than ordinary ones. I can say that this watch is a limited version with a bigger dial. Also, interesting thing in this watch is that they call it medical chronograph of Longines because of the pulsation scale on it. Pulsation scale is the red numbers, from 200 and down. With the pulsation scale, you can measure a blood pressure. That's why they call it medical. Now let's open the back to see the movement. My special tool coming. This one is very tight. But it's open now. And let's see the stamps first. The stamps are 18K on the right, Helvetia hat in the middle, and P, D, I don't have any idea what this means, and serial number on the bottom. On this cover we have a Longines on top, 7 Grand Prix in the middle, and chronometro medical bottom on the bottom, and 12 medals achieved by Longines especially by this watch, probably not by Longines, achieved by this watch. And now the movement coming. This cover, it's also very tight. I'm gonna try to open it with my nail. It's really tight. I'm not gonna be able to open it. And of course my special tool will finish the job. And this is the movement of the watch. The caliber number 19 indicates 19 lines, which is approximately 16 size. This one is manufactured in year 1923. Very complicated movement and in its condition which any collector can enjoy. The bounce, as you can see, running very strong with 18,000 beats per hour. Absolutely perfect condition. It has a 30 hours power reserve. The movement is composite of 115 parts. I'm not exactly sure about this, but I'm somewhere close. Can be plus minus 3. And now we will leave you a few seconds with the movement only. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, of course, please subscribe. Thank you again and see you next time. Bye bye.